Hi, I'm Rob from HopZine. Thanks for joining me for another video beer review. This time we've got a can of beer from Magic Rock in Huddersfield. It's a can of their Fridge Life double dry hopped IPA brewed in collaboration with Finback. This comes in at 7% ABV, as always, as I love it. Give you the ingredients on the side. So the malts are Golden Promise, flaked oats, malted oats. Then the hops are, the T90 pellet is Mosaic, Denali and Simcoe, and the cryo hop is Mosaic and Simcoe. Yeast WLP 066 London Fog. So let's get this open into that, see what we've got. I've had a little taste of this, not a full glass. It's going to last me a while, this big old can, this big lad. So beer in a glass, it's very, I'm going to go unclear for years on that one. It's not like chicken gravy, but you mean it's pretty damn hazy, as it would be. Brewed in collaboration with Finback, who are very well known for kind of big hazy IPAs. Yeah, it's got that very pale sandy colour, off-white head, so let's give it a swirl and sniff, check out the aroma. Oh yeah, lovely. Big thing I get straight away is lime juice and kind of an orange, grapefruit, yeah, bit of kiwi. It's got a real kind of like bright kind of pelletized hop character, not green in any way, but it's just got that kind of like, if you can open a pack of them. I've never smelt cryo hops, but apparently cryo hops, it's all the, so apparently it's that really refined, it's the refined element of a pellet, and it's got all that. So if you've ever had an handful of pellets, it's got that going on. It's not, I mean, it's probably a week, 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks old at this point, so it's settled down nicely. But yeah, lovely. It's primarily though just lovely, vibrant citrus fruit. Smells great. Let's dive in. Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, you can see the collaboration is very close between these two breweries, because this is very Finback-esque. Maybe it doesn't have the, I think Magic Rock are bringing a bit more sharpness and bitterness. Cause it's not bitter, but it's not as sweet as a lot of Finback beers I've had, which are very good, but definitely in that kind of American style, kind of sweeter edged New England IPA. This is a North England IPA. It does, once again, it's bringing all those kind of citrus properties. It's definitely got a load of lime zest to me, lemon peel, orange pith, grapefruit flesh. It's lovely. You can kind of, I don't know where they've kind of like come at this from, but I can kind of trace, if you had kind of Cannonball next to this, I think you can kind of trace that lineage really in a lot of ways. Which is also, I think, the same ABV. But yeah, lovely lemon lime, really kind of like come through. Slightly pine, kind of grassy note to it, but it's damn good. Lovely, really stupidly drinkable for 7% as well. Yeah. Going to be enjoying that for a while. So that is a can of Magic Rock's Fridge Life, a 7% ABV double dry hopped IPA brewed in collaboration with Finback from New York. I'm Rob from HopZine. See you next time. Cheers.